Okay, here we are again. Good day, everybody. And now we're going to try to write Hello World on a MAX7219 dot matrix. Okay, and then we're going to slow it down or make it faster using a potentiometer. Okay, let's plug it in. Let's plug it in. Okay, so the clock goes to 13 of the Arduino Nano. The next cable is the CS, which goes to number 10. The fourth one is the DIN, goes to 11 of the Arduino Nano. And then, because my wires are different, so didn't have an option. So the black one is actually the positive, and the black one, and the red is the negative. But it's just a wire. Okay. Now let's plug it in. And let's upload. Upload is starting. You can see the light flashing. There we are. I think, can you see? We just adjust the speed, make it slower. This is the slowest one. And we're going to make it faster. Probably has too much light. Okay, and now we're going to make it slower again. There you go. Hello World. There we are. Thank you very much, everybody. I will send the code into the system.